Me llamo David. Soy de Miami. Y me encanta aprender idiomas. That's it. That's all you need to say when someone asks you to introduce yourself in Spanish. But here's the problem. Most people freeze. They panic, and they say absolutely nothing. By the end of this video, you're going to have a full introduction in Spanish. Your name, where you're from, what you do, and even your hobbies. And it's going to sound natural, not textbook.
Part 1. The formula.
Let me give you the exact formula. Think of it like building blocks.
Block 1. Your name.
In Spanish, you don't say my name is. You say me llamo, which literally means I call myself. Or the simpler version, soy, I am. Me llamo Sarah. Soy Sarah. Both work. Both sound natural. Repeat after me. Me llamo. Say your name right now.
Block 2. Where you're from.
Now, where are you from? Here's your phrase. Soy de. I'm from. Soy de New York. Soy de London. Soy de Australia. Easy, right? But here's a little upgrade. If you want to sound more natural, add pero ahora vivo en. But now I live in. Soy de Texas, pero ahora vivo en Miami. Immediately more interesting. Immediately more real.
Block 3. What you do.
What do? This is where most learners get stuck, but it's actually one of the easiest structures in Spanish. Soy plus your job. No article needed. No un or una. Soy estudiante. Soy profesor. Soy diseñador. In English, you say I am a teacher. In Spanish, you just say soy profesor. Drop the A. It feels wrong. It's right.
Part 2. Making it sound human.
Okay, so now you have the basics. But here's what separates someone who sounds like a textbook from someone who sounds like a real person. You add one connecting word, y, which means and. Watch this.
Textbook version.
Me llamo Yon. Soy de Chicago. Soy ingeniero.
Human version.
Me llamo Yon. Soy de Chicago y trabajo como ingeniero. Hear the difference? The second one flows. It breathes. Now let's add hobbies, because this is where conversations actually start. Me gusta plus noun or infinitive verb equals I like something. Me gusta el café. Me gusta viajar. Me gusta la música. And if you want to say you love something, me encanta. I love. Me encanta el fútbol. Me encanta cocinar. Now you're not just introducing yourself. You're starting a conversation.
Part 3. The full introduction.
All right, let's put it all together. I'm going to give you a full introduction. Follow along, and by the end of this, you'll be able to say this yourself. Me llamo. Soy de. Pero ahora vivo en. Soy. Me gusta. Y me encanta. One more time, faster, more natural. Me llamo Sara, soy de Canadá, pero ahora vivo en Madrid. Soy estudiante de idiomas y me encanta viajar y probar comida nueva. That's 25 words. That's a real introduction, and you just understood every single one. Now, here's your challenge. And I want you to actually do this, not just watch. Write your introduction in the comments. Use the formula. Me llamo, soy de, soy, me gusta. I read every single comment, and I'll correct any mistakes for free. And if you want the next level, how to keep the conversation going after the introduction, that video is right here. Hasta luego!